Meet Iggy Bowl. Iggy is a nutritional concept that was researched, designed, and made in France. It's specifically designed to take back some control from our biological brain using new food psychology research. When you're looking down at Iggy Bowl, your brain thinks the bowl is actually full. But 33% of the bowl is simply not available for your food. Those extra rainy day 300 calories are removed automatically. You're eating 1/3 less, but your animal brain and stomach have no idea. That's calorie cloaking at work. Studies show perception is reality. How filling your brain thinks a meal will be is how full you ultimately feel. Iggy Bowl keeps your animal brain in check every meal. And this is how you use it. Make your meal from one of our many recipes created by French chefs and nutrition experts. There are dozens of Asian, Mediterranean, vegan, and other recipes to explore. Fill the bowl as you like using portion control. Then remove the divider and enjoy. Research shows we eat less from a bowl than from a plate. Even color counts. Did you know we eat up to 22% less from a red plate versus a white plate? All of this food psychology inspired a stylish, portable, portion control and mindful eating bowl made from sustainable wood from the Jura Mountains in France. Our brain is a creature of habit. With consistent daily portions, Iggy will soon get us used to eating less. Back our campaign now and take back control of your eating habits. Eat better, eat less effortlessly.